G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a special one. It is MSI's 35th anniversary and they want to celebrate with you by providing a giveaway. Now I believe this giveaway may be only open to Australian and New Zealand residents only, but check the link in the video description to find out more. Now I don't want to take away too much more of your time, so let's check in with today's video sponsor and we'll get right into it. Today's video is sponsored by Wondershare Doctor Phone. Wondershare Doctor Phone is a program with lots of different features. However, today we're going to be focusing on the WhatsApp transfer feature. Download Doctor Phone from the link in the video description. You can connect two devices, Android or iOS, and swap your WhatsApp messages from one device to the other. You can also back up your WhatsApp messages and attachments to the PC. If you'd like to restore your WhatsApp backups to a device, you can also select that option. Wondershare Doctor Phone also has the option to back up WeChat, Viber, and much more. Doctor Phone is the best choice for transferring your WhatsApp from one device to another, so why not give it a try? A few extra features that come with this app is the ability to recover lost data, whether it be lost contacts, messages, photos, or faulty SD cards. You can even remove the screen password from your phone if you've forgotten the code. Check out Wondershare Doctor Phone using the link in the video description, and while you're over there, check out more awesome apps that Wondershare has to offer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's PC build video, and consider leaving a like and consider subscribing if you did so. Also leave your comment down below. What did you like about this particular build? And do you want to see us do more all-in-one cooled builds just like this one that you saw today? Now I'll leave all of the links in the video description to everything you saw in today's video, and don't forget to check out MSI's link down below because they've got some goodies to give away to some of you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Congratulations MSI on the 35 years, and we'll see you all in the next one.